children, now let's learn to read. Today, we're learning to read with the sound B and the sound P. We need to learn how to pronounce the two sounds again. The first is B and the second is P. And first, let's see contrasting words with the sound B and P. We have B, ben, P, pen. Together in a sentence, we say, Ben was a farmer and had a pen. Good. Now it's your turn. Correct. And we have some questions before we move to the next words. And the question is, who was a farmer? Good. Ben. Next question. What did Ben has? Pen. Correct. Ben has a pen. Next words, we have pig. B, big. In the sentence, we have Ben wrote with his pen on a paper the size of the big pig. Good. Now it's your turn. Correct. Before we proceed, here are some questions. What is this? Pig. Good. And next question. What size is Ben's pig? Big. Correct. Our next words, we have b, bull, p, pool. In the sentence, we say, Ben wanted to pull the bull into the bullpen. And now it's your turn. Good. The question time. What was Ben trying to do? Pull. Good. Ben was trying to pull. Next question. What was Ben trying to pull? Bull. Ben was trying to pull a bull. Good. B, beer. Pear. He saw a bear eating his pear. Good. Your turn. Good. And the question time. What is it that Ben saw? Beer. Correct. What was the bear eating? Pear. Good. B. Cob. P. Cup. He also saw a cub playing with his cup. Now it's your turn. Good. And for our question time, which other animal did Ben see? A cub. Ben saw a cub. What was the cub playing with? A cup. The cub was playing with a cup. Good. And next words we have b. Bane. P. Pain. Ben picked a pin from the bin to scare the bear and the cub away. Good. Your turn. Good. And for question time, what did Ben pick to scare the animals? A pin. Ben picked a bean. Next question. Where did Ben pick the pin from? A bean. Ben picked the pin from a bean. Good. Another set of words. B. Bill. P. Bill. Ben needed a pill for his sick big pig, but the bill was very high. Now it's your turn. Good. And for question time, what did Ben need for his sick big pig? a pill. Ben needed a pill. Word was very high. The bill. The bill was very high. Good. Another set of words. B, buy, pie. Ben was hungry and wanted to buy pie at the mall. Now it's your turn. Correct. And for question time, what did Ben want to do at the mall? Buy. Ben wanted to buy. Next question. What did Ben want to buy? Good. Pie. B. Cab. Cap. Ben left his cab in the cab while buying pie at the mall. And now it's your turn. Good. And for question time, where did Ben leave his cab? A cab. Ben left his cab in a cab. Good. What did Ben leave in the cab? Cap. Good. And before we go, learning how to read using the sound B and P. Here is the story we are learning to practice with. And we take it together from the beginning. Ben was a farmer and had a pen. He wrote with his pen on a paper the size of the big pig. One day, Ben wanted to pull the bull into the bull pen. When he saw a bear eating his pear and a cub playing with his cup, he picked a pin from the bin to scare the bear and the cub away. He needed a pill for his pig, but the bill was very high. Ben was hungry and wanted to buy a pie at the mall, but but he left his cab in the cab while buying the pie at the mall. Good. You can read it over and over to master the use of the sound b and p. And this is where we stop the class for today. You can click the link below to download the PDF file of the story and all the worksheets attached to the story. See you later. Bye.